AutoDS versus Dsers. Which is better? Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you or talking about AutoDS and Dsers and comparing them and talking about which platform is actually better for your drop shipping business. So first, let's talk about the different platforms that you will be able to connect to. In AutoDS, you're able to connect to platforms such as Shopify, eBay, Amazon Store, Facebook Store, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, and TikTok Shop. While in Dsers, we're able to connect to Shopify. Let's wait for it to load. Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, JumpSeller, CSV File, CartPanda, LPQV, and TikTok Shop, and this other three over here. Now, these are platforms that you will be able to make a store with. Now, in AutoDS, you're actually able to connect to or utilize other platforms that are more than Dsers. In Dsers, mainly their source of products are two: AliExpress and Temu. Those are the two main platforms that you are able to find and use as a source of product. But in AutoDS, if you click on Add Products, Single Product, you will be able to see a great list of platforms over here that you're actually able to get products from. All you need to do is to simply get a URL link of the product that you want to import. For example, we have Alibaba over here. Copy the URL link and paste it over here and publish to store. That's how you are able to easily add product from another platform in AutoDS. In Dsers, you can easily upload a product as well through their Find Supplier over here. Under Find Supplier, you will have basically a mini AliExpress inside of Dsers, and then you can navigate normally like how you would navigate through AliExpress. But you're easily able to add to import list, add to import list, add to import list. And then as you can see, we could check if we were able to successfully add the product that we have selected under the import list over here. As you can see, we have all of these products. And then to import it or to add it to a store, you could easily just select the products that you want and click push to store, which will upload that specific product onto your store that you have connected to. In AutoDS, it's actually very similar. Aside from the option or the single add product over here or multiple products over here, which basically the same thing with URL, but you are able to do it in bulk. You could do as many items as you want. But in AutoDS, you could see that there's also import drafts, as you can see, and then we could also check it out in the draft page over here before we import it into our Shopify store. Now, let's talk about differences. The way you import products in Dsers are through this section over here, like the mini AliExpress page inside of Dsers. In AutoDS, they also have a mini page over here for all kinds of products, and you could easily check out all different suppliers over here. You have a wider range of suppliers, which is a really big edge to AutoDS. Because, of course, if the product that you're looking for or the product that you want to sell is not existent in one platform, that could be very limiting. But in AutoDS, you're able to find or have a lot of different suppliers. Also, the fact that you're able to easily add products through links for just any platform is a really big boost as well. It has a lot of different features. We also have print on demand over here, which is something that Dsers does not have over here, as you can see. In Dsers, you are able to use it typically and normally, but the only limitation or the only difference between AutoDS, to be honest, is the fact that you are able to connect to more platforms, the fact that you have a print on demand inside of AutoDS, and of course, the amount of platforms that you are able to connect to, the sources. So those are the two big difference between DS, AutoDS, and Dsers. The thing that just makes you change your mind, I guess, or the thing that would help you settle which platform that you should use, because so far AutoDS is the best out of these two. It's a more preferable choice in my opinion, due to the fact that you have a wider range of features that you are able to utilize and use. Is the subscription fee. In AutoDS, before you could access what I am looking at right now, as you can see, you're actually going to require to get a plan. So in AutoDS, as you can see, we have different packages, and all of them starts with, as you can see, $10, $18, $32, or $39, as you can see. And it's a bit expensive, in my opinion, to have this type of subscription fee for this specific features. Although it's a really great feature, it has a lot of amazing features that makes the purchase worth it. In Dsers, you don't really need to pay or purchase any subscription just yet. You are able to use the basic features just like what we have shown you, like adding AliExpress, importing the different products, putting products onto your store. Those are free features. There are some subscription, of course, but the features that you will be able to not use are not that much. You are able to utilize a lot of these features without having payment. Now, as you can see here, we have this. So right now I'm just using free, and the main things that you're actually unable to use are like the tracking, anything related to tracking, stuff like that, and like platforms and stuff like that. So in comparison, AutoDS has all the features. AutoDS has the best feature, has the ability to integrate with more platforms. And if you're not talking about the money in the subscription, if you don't care about the money, I would recommend that you utilize AutoDS right there and then. But if you're someone aware, or you don't really want to spend that much, I would recommend that you use Dsers instead. And AliExpress is still a great platform or a great source. So I think you're not really lagging that much behind when it comes to like the items that you're selling, because eventually AliExpress or other platforms out there will have the same products either way. The only difference is the prices, I guess, for each of the product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.